In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access advanced features. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher at the top to activate it. Following that, tap on one of those options to reduce the display size with gesture or button. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, follow all of the instructions below your choice. In my case, double tap the home button. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. To go back, click on blurry area. To resize it, hold one of its top corners and drag it. If you wish to change placement of it, you can use this line at the top, or click on this icon on the left or right side. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!